financial decisions I've made in my entire life.
If I've been looking at this school for such a long time, and this decision is one of the best decisions I've made for myself, for my future.
Because I wanted to cook and own a restaurant for as long as I could remember, and I thought the CAA would help me achieve that.
An interest in cooking, and I just never thought about pursuing it until I came here.
I was debating between Johnson & Wales and CAA, but after going and talking to all the people that came in, I saw that CAA is way better overall.
I got accepted to other culinary colleges, but I feel like this one is the one that I want to go to.
Decided CAA because I'm going to be surrounded by so many people who love the same thing I do, and I just love the campus and it's beautiful here.
It feels like I'm on the right path to my future, and it feels like this is what I want to do. I feel like I'm hearing that voice in the back of my head saying, you're on the right track. And I really feel like I found a place that's just a perfect fit for me and my